Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a spicy margarita cocktail. Gather tequila, fresh lime juice, orange liqueur, agave, jalapeno, salt, ice, and a shaker. Muddle jalapeno to release heat, then add 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz lime, 3/4 Oz orange liqueur, and 1/2 Oz agave. Shake with ice hard for 15 seconds, double strain into a salt-trimmed glass, and garnish with a jalapeno slice. In this video, I will show how to make a spicy margarita cocktail. Start by measuring ingredients precisely. 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz lime juice, 3/4 Oz orange liqueur, and 1/2 Oz agave. Select a fresh jalapeno and slice 1 ring for muddling. Reserve another for garnish. Use coarse salt for the rim and plenty of ice for chilling. Precise measurements keep the drink consistent and friendly for beginners and seasoned bartenders alike. In this video, I will show how to make a spicy margarita cocktail. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for unmatched comfort and a lifetime warranty. They're my go-to after a long bartending session. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy cocktail recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make a spicy margarita cocktail. Muddle jalapeno gently to extract flavor without overdoing the heat, then add measured liquids and ice. Shake hard for roughly 15 seconds to chill and reach proper dilution. Double strain into a glass rimmed with coarse salt to avoid seeds and ensure a silky sip. Finish with a jalapeno slice or lime wheel for aroma and a clean, professional look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.